Hi everyone, for those of you who are still having trouble with the bubble liquid nail technique, I have a really easy hack. But before I do that, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Okay, so let's get into this. This is so easy, guys. You're going to be blown away. So I'm going to show you what I have here. So this is a little dapping dish with some suds that I made with some dish soap and water. Plain dish soap. Of course, you agitate it, you get some bubbles. This is a nail with 2 coats of Madam Glam Vintage Blue, I believe it's called, and I just wiped off the inhibition layer. You don't have to do that. I just did it. This is my liquid. If you start losing your suds, you just agitate it again. I just use one of these little things to create the bubbles. It's not a big deal. You can do it by stirring it, mixing it up, however you want to do it. Okay, the important thing is that you have some suds. All right, so I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. So you're gonna take your nail. You're going to take some soak off gel polish, apply it on the nail however you want, whatever shape you want, and you're going to try to take some of the suds off the top, some of those bubbles, and you just place them on the nail right over that gel polish. And before they start popping, or as soon as you can, you start curing that gel. This needs batteries. All right, I'm just going to put it in my lamp. And while that is curing, I'm going to do another one. Okay, so just for fun, I'm going to do a different color on this one. Let's see. This is Caribbean Sea by Madam Glam, if you're interested in the color. And I'm putting the one and only, also by Madam Glam, on this one. Let's see. Ooh, I have to shake this up better. Alright, let me just shake this up. I haven't used it in a while. Okay. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to go this way. Okay. Alright, so I did that. A nice swoosh. Make sure I have some bubbles in there. And I'm going to scoop them out. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so I have some bubbles in there. Oh, those are too small. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to... Alright. This is so easy, guys. Really easy. Alright, so I'm going to cure that in my lamp. Next, you're going to take your nail, you're going to take some alcohol or acetone and wipe it down. And look at that. See how textured that is? That's really good. I like that. Okay, and then this one, Look at that. See how easy that is, guys? No big mystery. All right, so I'm gonna do one more. I just wanna keep playing with this. It's so fun and so easy. So this is Madam Glam Delicacy, if you're interested in the color, and I'm going to put some Call of the Wild Gray on it, Madam Glam also. And I'm not sponsored. They don't even send me free products because my channel is too small for them. Anyway, I love their stuff, their products. I'm going to do a more structured pattern on this one. Let's see. I'm gonna do a third of the nail with bubbles. Let's be a little neater with that. And if you hear the dog in the background, sorry. She's very protective. And anybody who walks by the front of the house, she will bark at. Okay, that's kind of okay, but whatever, it'll serve the purpose. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my bubbles and let me. All right, I want to make sure I have enough bubbles in here. All right. You kind of have to do this kind of quick because you don't want your bubbles to start dissipating. But if they start dissipating, you just dab them. All right, I think that's enough. That's good enough. All right, so I'm going to put this in my lamp. All right, so this is also Madam Glam matte. This is matte top coat. Okay, so I'm going to cure that. I want to do this matte also. I just like the way that looks. All right, I'm going to cure these and I'll be right back and show you how they all look, how they turned out. All right, so I'm back. Let me show you how they look. So this has matte top coat on it. And I just wiped it down with alcohol so it's still wet actually. But there we go. Oops. So here's the Caribbean blue with the one and only and top coated, and I just wiped it down so it's drying off. I think that's so cool. All right, and here is the gray, the pink one. This one is Delicacy with Call of the Wild Gray, Madam Glam. And see, that was a large bubble, so that's what happened there. And then the rest were smaller bubbles. So you have that nice texture. and the color underneath is coming through. So you could do a whole nail like that. You could do something like this. There's so many things you could do. All right, so I have one more that I did off camera that I had done. This was my prototype. And this is also Madame Glam Admiral. And it's a beautiful royal blue. And this has some light blue and some white. And I tried to make that look sort of like a wave, like an ocean spray kind of thing. So if you really like that look and you want to do that on a nail, that's all you have to do. You don't have to go with all the other stuff. Okay guys, so I'm back and I went ahead and decorated them just to give you some ideas on how to decorate them, because sometimes we want to know, what do I do once I do that effect? So just a few little easy suggestions. So on this one I added some glitter gel with a thin brush, and I added a cluster there. On this one I added some glitter that is, the basic color of the glitter is the same as this pink, and then the reflect is the same as the Caribbean blue. And then I added a couple of stones right there. That stone has several colors, but it has both colors in it. That is on the nail. Both colors that are on the nail, and then I added a couple of other little coordinating stones right there. And then on the structured one I added a line of the silver glitter, and I added some silver crystals. Okay, and then on my prototype I added a little crystal there representative of the moon, because it's a dark blue. It's a beautiful cobalt blue. And so this is like a ocean spray or sea spray, and the moon in the background. And so that's how I decorated that one. And of course you can, with something like this, you can do a mermaid nail and add some shells, mermaid. There's so many different things you could do. But just a little something to give you some encouragement. You can do this, it's really easy, and then you can decorate them by adding some gems and some other stuff to them. So that's it guys. I hope that really helps you, and you can try it yourself, and the mystery is no longer. Anybody could do this. I hope you guys try this. Please, if you do, tag me on Instagram and show me your pictures. I'm really interested to see what you come up with. Take care everyone. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.